In this video, I'm going to show you how you can stop pop-up notifications or alerts from Wikiloc app. So if you're receiving a lot of pop-up notifications from this app, then the best thing you need to do is to go ahead and turn them off for once and for all. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so let's get into it. So to stop pop-up notifications from Wikiloc app, you need to go ahead and access the app info page for us to be able to stop pop-up notifications. And you can easily do this by going to settings, and then from settings scroll down to apps and look for the option called manage apps or all apps. And if you tap on it, this will go ahead and list all the apps that you have on your smartphone. Now for the sake of this tutorial, I'm on a Redmi smartphone. However, this process should be more or less the same on any other Android smartphone. From the list, scroll down until you find your Wikiloc app. And mine is here. If you can't find it, you can also use the search function here to search for your app. Go ahead and tap on it and you can see we are on the app info page. However, if you can't access this page, then let me show you a shortcut method to get here. For that, just go back and then go ahead and find your app. And once you see it, go ahead and long press on it. And you can see now we have app info page here. It will take us to the same page. So we want to go and look for notifications, which is under permissions. You can see it is turned to yes, and that's why all these notifications are on and you have been receiving them. To turn them off, go ahead and toggle off this option called show notifications, and from now henceforth you'll never again receive any pop-up notifications from this app unless you go ahead and toggle this on again. So that's how you can permanently stop pop-up notifications from Wikiloc app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.